Thank you, Honorable Presenter, for giving me a chance to say something. Dear student, how are you? I am also well by the grace of Almighty. Today's weather is very good. You are all lucky. Understand?
Yes.
Today's weather is very good. So now I want to say something about SSC candidates and all students. I am Juton Bhuya. This is my nickname and full name Muhammad Sulaiman. Okay, thank you. Today's farewell functions, honorable special guest, honorable head teacher, assistant head teacher, honorable assistant sirs and ma'ams, and elite person, honorable guardian, and dear students, at first take my sincere welcome and congratulate. Dear students, please listen to me. Please attention, please. What I say, please listen to me. Then I ask you a question. You understand?
Yes.
So I have a slogan. At first I want to say my slogan: remove the fear of English, make a second language in our country. For this reason, our students will in English. Is it right? Isn't it? Do you agree with me? Please. For this reason I have come here. This is my slogan. Remove the fear of English, make a second language. Understand? Our student will be English. Okay, attend me please. You are going to take part in important exam after 10 years. Isn't it? It is an important exam for your life. It is right?
Yes.
So be careful. When you go to exam hall, don't unnecessary paper with your exam hall. Isn't it?
Yes.
If you take unnecessary papers, you will danger. Isn't it?
Yes.
Do you understand me? So, I want to say another instruction. If you pass SSC exam, at first your mother and father smile, your teacher will smile, your relative will smile, your friends will smile, all over Bangladesh will smile. Is it right?
Yes.
So, be careful, read attentively. Remain maybe 2 or 3 days. Isn't it? So now, every day you speak English minimum 5 minutes with your friends, with your parents, with your relatives, with your bosom friends. As a result, day by day, our Bangladesh will become a second language. Isn't it?
Yes.
For this reason, this is my message, this is my slogan. Wherever I get chance, such an event, function, I express my slogan. Understand? Please, dear students, don't talk. Our Bangladesh, all over Bangladesh, our students speak in English because I want to say in 2014, Dhaka University gave the 40,000 students admission test. 2014. Admission test 40,000 students. Understand?
Yes.
How many students?
40,000.
40,000 students admission test Dhaka University. Only 2 students pass in English. It is great sight for our country. Is it right?
Right.
40,000 students gave admission test. Only 2 students pass in English. It is our great sight. Why? What is reason? So I His honorary memorial school and college, honorable sirs and ma'ams, my request to both those who teach English, those who do not English, my request to both encouraging the student to speak English, real class, every day, real class, minimum 5 minutes speaking English, as a result, our student will develop in English. Isn't it? So do you agree with me?
Yes.
Every day we speak English? So I want to say example, our Bagla school, last Thursday, farewell function already complete. So class 7 students, he expressed English lecture. His special guest is pleased with class 7 students. Listen, English speak. At the time they gave him a special prize. I trained up them. So last day he gave me a special prize and it's with me. You understand? So please, a teacher is not president. A teacher is not, but he is the craftsman of the president. Isn't it? A teacher is not
President.
but he is the craftsman of the. Do you listen? Do you understand?
Yes.
A teacher is not prime minister. A teacher is not.
Prime Minister.
He is the craftsman of the prime minister. Isn't it?
Yes.
A teacher is not minister of education, but he is the craftsman of the minister of education. Please be careful. Always respect with them. You understand?
Yes.
Our students weak in English. Is it right?
Yes.
You feel fear English? Is it right? So how to cope with speak English? Do you know? Do you know? Every day, if you wrong or right, you carry on speaking English. As a result, day by day, you will be English man. As a result, day by day, our Bangladesh become English second language. Bangladesh uses English foreign language, but Pakistan, India, Pakistan, they are used after mother tongue. English second language as a second language. They go to abroad and they earn a lot of money. But Bangladeshi people go to abroad, they earn a poor money. What is result? Do you know? Bangladeshi people can't speak English. They didn't communicate with foreigners. As a result, Bangladeshi people earn a lot of money. You understand? Is it right? Is that it? So, you get a lot of time after SSC exam. You understand?
Yes, I don't.
You get a lot of time after SSC exam. How do you spend your 2 months? You get 2 months? Is it it? So don't kill time. You use maybe somebody learn to learn computer, somebody to learn English, somebody to learn another job. Yes, I have tools. Then I ask you question. Please attend it. You understand? Do you know how to write a paragraph without memorize? How to write an email without memorize? How to write a formal letter, informal letter without memorize? Do you know technique? Please, do you know technique? So if you need not mine. Online is bad. You understand? You want to no. Okay?
Yeah.
So I have come here.
পিছনে এক সাইডে হয়ে যাব পিছনে রাজা পিছনে গাড়ি রাখতে ফলো মেশিনে তেরা 6 7 ফলো মেশিনে পিছনে হয়ে যাব টেবিল পিছনে উল্টা বলতে টেবিল পিছনে
If you want to get higher education,
এটা ভিতরে দাও
you must do English.
ভিতরে দাও
If you get higher education, you must English.
আর তুমি
So I want that.
সুগমান দিতে
Everyone and
অনলাইন মারলে
you will doctor, you will president, you will prime minister, you will member of parliamentarian, you will minister, you will UP chairman, you will UP member, you will teacher, you will professor, you will principal, you will vice principal. It depends on your activities. You understand? Somebody at last, maybe somebody, fisherman, farmer, housewife, housekeeper. It depends on your activity. Is it right? Okay. I hope that you will be a great man and you will be a good citizen in our country. There was a proverb. Come for learning. Come for learning. Go out for service. Understand? Come for learning. Go out for service. Then first I understand Baba, it will be better understand. শেখার জন্য এসো এবার জন্য come for learning. Come for go out for okay. All together say, come for learning. Go out for
service.
This is my slogan and speech. May Almighty bless you. May Almighty bless you. May Almighty keep healthy until the exam is over. Okay?
Yes.
May all animals be happy. Be free from all sorrow. Be free from all disease. Again I want to say, may Almighty bless you, may Almighty bless you. Thank you, teachers. Thank you all. May Almighty bless you.